Hello there, this is the Correctronic GX-6550 electronic typewriter from Brother. I'm about to do a test here. Unfortunately, my camera is its placement. But anyways, so apparently I can hit the Alt and Backspace keys at the same time to do a self-demo. Unfortunately, I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, now I can. I actually already typed out a whole thing there. I'm not going to show it to you. It has personal information. But anyways, this is TSPI, or Test Paper 1. So, Alt and Backspace. To activate self-demo, press Alt and Backspace keys at the same time. Okay, so that means now I have to do return, which is somewhere. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, so since I can't do that, I'm just gonna do a type thing. That's not gonna work for me. Okay then, so that's basically that. And as you can see, it works. It uses a ribbon here, which is right here. I'm not gonna touch it. It's not recommended to do so. Well, the whiteout's completely useless, by the way. It's just dead. But, oh well. But, basically it just goes over there. But, I can actually show that if I just do. Just saying, it feels pretty good. I wouldn't use it myself, but that's only because I'm a modern kid who uses a modern typewriter, which is actually introduced by this sort of thing. Now, I'm not going to waste any more ink, so I'm just going to turn this thing off after I quickly reset it. But yeah, that's basically that. This has been the Brother GX-6550, 6750. This is actually quite a common typewriter design, but yeah. Also, it is complete. I have all the manuals and stuff, and this is key puller, I think. I don't know what it is though, but this is my brother, and this has actually been quite a fun thing. It feels pretty nice. I won't use, like I said, I wouldn't use it myself, but I think it's worth a mention on this channel. I like it. Anyways, have fun. Bye. This is electronic, by the way. Do not get a random one. Well, you could. I can't control that. Why am I going? This is like the ending I used on that one paper over there, but yeah, it works completely. The only thing that's not working is whiteout. But yeah. Oh yeah. The original box is over here. Anyways, bye.